Have you ever noticed something strange happening in the background of modern life? We're living in the most connected era in human history. Constant messages, endless social platforms, the ability to reach anyone at any moment. And yet loneliness is being called an epidemic. More people than ever report feeling isolated, unseen, emotionally disconnected. But here's where it gets psychologically interesting. While some people are desperately searching for connection, a growing number are doing something that looks completely opposite. They're actively choosing distance. They're looking at their phone, seeing certain names, and making a quiet decision. Not today, maybe not ever again. And here's what conventional wisdom about loneliness completely misses. These people aren't suffering. They're not describing emptiness or despair. Many report feeling something unexpected, profound peace,